to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change privacy settings for your direct messages, which also means that how to change the fact or the option that you can or you cannot receive messages from other users in TikTok. Okay, by saying that, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. So to do that, let's go to our TikTok app. Let's open it, and here's our TikTok app. Let's open it. Let's pause this for a moment. And after that, to change your privacy settings for direct messages, tap on the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. You can see the person icon. Just tap there, and you will be taken to this interface. And at the top right corner of your phone, you can see the three-line icon. Just tap there to go to your settings, and you can see a bunch of settings up here. Just tap on the settings and privacy. Just tap there. You can see the privacy, which is the second one under the account category option. Let's tap the privacy option. After that, you need to search for the option which says direct messages. Let's search for the option, and you can see the direct message option just above the blocked accounts. Let's tap there to change our preferences. You can see here I have enabled the direct messages to everyone, so which means that anyone or everyone who wants to send me a message in TikTok, they can. And if you want to change this fact, or if you want the fact that only your friends to message you, nobody else who can see your content, you don't want everybody commenting on your content, so if you want that, just tap on the friends button over here, and when it has turned red, the friends option has turned red, only your friends will be able to send you messages. And if you tap the none, okay, if you tap the none button, no one will be able to send you messages in TikTok. So these will be on you. These are all your preferences. For now, I want to be able to receive messages from everybody I can, so I'll currently move the option to the everyone. So there, guys, you see changing your privacy settings for direct message in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any confusions or comments relating the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.